Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I just watched this movie called Burning Sands on Netflix. I'm not gonna spoil the movie because I want y'all to go check it out. Um, the movie is what reality is. We have to kind of like belittle ourselves, like disrespect ourselves to get certain position in this reality. And it reminds me, I mean, if y'all a little older or younger, because a lot of younger people are starting to look at a lot of older stuff. But it was a movie called School Days that Spike Lee did, and he kind of went into like good hair, bad hair. This didn't do that. Um, this didn't do that. This kind of was just talking about black men that's fatherless, and they want to prove their manhood. And I never cared too much for fraternities. It was always something about it because to me, fraternities are like, it says for brotherhood and sisterhood, but when you see how, I mean, I live in a college town, this Tallahassee, so you got FSU, you got FAMU, you got community colleges, and a whole bunch of other little private colleges here, and you see the I'm better than you complex. I'm the house nigga, you the field nigga. I'm so and so. I'm in a part of this sorority, and most people get a part of sorority, so they in fraternity, so they can get quote unquote it look good on their resume, and they can get better jobs. And you have to act a certain way. It's like some slave master shit. And then it's Greek, and we know who the Greek gods are. So to me, looking at it, we black men degrade. It was just another form of slavery. And then the one point in the movie, they started reading the Willie Litch letter, and it was these two sisters going back and forth. One was saying, "Oh, somebody wrote that. It's not true," and then another one was saying, she in so many words, she was like, "Well, even if it's not true, it's mainly what's going on in this reality." So it's like, and it's sickening because there was a young brother that passed a couple of years ago here at FAMU due to hazing. And it's like you have to beat someone to let them get the quote unquote job. Maybe I have like the wrong understanding what fraternity is but from, and I know movies are movies, but movies do tell truths, and they tell a lot of falsehood, but it does tell truths. And just being around, I don't like the energy. The energy is negative. The foundation is negative, and mainly it's the same thing. Mainly it's the same thing that the slave master did to us. They beat us. To me, they were, even though they might have wasn't sexually messed with, they was violated and disrespectful. So it's like you got to go to the lowest of the low to become a brother. Mm-mm. You gotta lose your dignity to become a part of a brotherhood. And my thing is, I'm the type person hitting on me. I don't know how it works in the women's fraternities. So, I mean, sororities. So, you do all this stuff to me, and then you call me your sister. It's some sick shit. This reality breeds demons. That's all I gotta say. So, y'all check the movie out. Salam, salam.